Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on. What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi. We are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing this unit. It's a braided wig, but it's a different type of braided wig. You know, we've done a couple of braided wigs on this channel, but it's a little different. Y'all know the makeup is tea, the makeup is cute and tea, and the video is out now. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, click the cards and that makeup tutorial is there, y'all. Today we're working with Hermosa hair, and this is the little dust bag that it came in. Make sure you guys keep your bags because this is what preserves the hair and makes it last. Stick band, little wig melt band. But this is what the hair looks like. So we have like braids in the front and it is just curly pieces in the back. So it's giving like cute little braids in the front, a little quick weave in the back. And let's just get really deep into it because I really love the construction of this unit. I feel like Hermosa hair did a really good job on the construction because as you guys can see, you see how the braids are like this and then the hair, it goes into it. Like everything just looks so good. Like it just don't look rushed. It looks very well put together. This is the inside and this is how much space you have. And then they also have the little sticky tabs on here to make it very easy for you. Very easy, very glueless, make it look real good. And then you also have an elastic band and you have the little elastic thing that's built into the back, which I really love because y'all, I'm telling y'all, this back here is a lifesaver, y'all. I be kind of scared to like not push it, but the other day I kind of did push it when I did have a unit that had this on there, and I can say that this definitely works. Like my head was kind of a little tight, so make sure you guys just do it to your liking. So you have 3 combs right here and then you have a comb right here. There's no reason why your wig should be slipping off, especially with this. They got you cut. Looks really good. So y'all see how everything is looking, and y'all see how we have a lot of space, like a lot of leave out for our baby hairs and stuff. We have like a little bit of customizing to do, just a little bit, because I do want to make sure that everything is fitting comfortably. Slit right there, and y'all see how now my ear isn't like, it's not feeling tugged on. When you are doing your wigs, like you want to make sure everything looks realistic. Like ain't no hair finna be all the way down. Okay, we might just have to keep this. We're gonna go ahead and sit it down. See, over here it looks a lot better. Of course, you guys already see that this is glueless. It can be worn glueless. You can take it off. All right, so this is what everything is looking like. I really like this side better than this side, but it still don't look bad. It looks pretty good. I'm just spraying a little bit of water in it, but I feel like it really doesn't need water. Let me show y'all what this looks like from the back, because the fluffiness of the curls, they actually look pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of like get into like a couple styles that I could do. I do want to do like a little to the back type, like a little ponytail to the back. A cute little pony. Okay, we'll just put it in like a little bun. That's what the little bun is looking like. The little bun actually isn't bad. Like, it's cute. Right, so I have it in, like, you know, this little thing to the front. I kind of have these braids going like kind of like behind my ear a bit because I want to show this part because it's just so cute to me. And then I have this going like this. This is pretty cute. It is short. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I absolutely did, and I'm so glad that I was able to bring this unit to life and have it to my liking because I really like it, and I really love like all the little stuff that we could do with it, and I love that I could put it in a half up half down and it still looks really good. If you guys want all the information for this hair, make sure you guys click that link down below and shop Hermosa hair. Also, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel because we are on the road to 300K. And like I said before, if you guys want to know how I got this cute makeup look, make sure you guys click the cards and check out that makeup video because I haven't did a makeup video in a while and I am very proud of this look. I'll make sure y'all tap into that, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Gia babies, we out.